How to restore deleted YouTube playlists. So if you want to restore deleted YouTube playlist, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser. Now, let me tell you one thing, that YouTube doesn't have a built-in trash or recovery option for playlist like Google Drive. Once a playlist is deleted from your Google account, it's officially gone. But there are clever workarounds to bring it back. First, if you remember a video from your deleted playlist, you can go to your browser, open up your YouTube, and click on your library, which will be on the left side. So find the library option right here, then go to the history section, which is right here. If you find any video that is belong to the playlist, you can create a new playlist and start reconstructing it. Next, if the playlist was public or unlisted at some point, then you can go with your browser and open up the archive.org and you will get this kind of interface. Just paste the old playlist URL into the site and hit enter. Look for the records on the calendar and then click on a record. Then if it's archived, the page will show up. Sometimes it takes time as the site is slow. If the playlist is archived, you can see the full song list even if you can't play them directly. Just copy the links and create a new playlist yourself. If you don't have the link but shared before, then you can check your old emails, WhatsApp, Discord, Twitter, DMs, or Notes app. Try to find the link because without it, you cannot do anything. So just keep in mind all of these steps. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.